you something that happened to me a few years ago. It was a particular service call. I start my morning doing a preventive maintenance in a commercial building. It was a pretty much simple PM. One furnace in a closet. It was a split system. Very easy. I grab my filters, replace filters, make sure that the air handler is working fine, thermostat, the whole 9 yards, making sure that everything was working properly for the wintertime season. It was a short PM. So at the end of my maintenance, I got my ticket and I looking for the manager, and I said to her, look, got the everything is running for heat, everything is ready to go, and she comes up with the oh, I don't like the heat, I'm not too happy. So, why? Oh, because I'm hot all the time. So she was joking. So, yeah, no, it's good if you have it running, but most of the time I don't use heat. I'm hot all the time. So, all right, no problem. Well, in case if you need it, heat is working, everything is fine. You got new filters and this and that. And I told her I leave it at 72, but if you want to drop the temperature, you can drop it. And that thermostat in particular, it got that plastic cover with the key. So I asked her, do you have the key to change the temperature? And she says, yeah, I have the key. So, all right. Well, if you feel that it's too hot for you, just drop the temperature and you're good to go. All right? Yeah, no problem. Thank you very much. Signature. See you later. Next morning, I go to my shop and this person calls back to my office saying then whatever I did, I left the building with no heat. And according to my dispatcher, she was really pissed. I said, what the heck? Everything was fine. I thought, well, probably the blower cover just popped up and it just unmade the fan switch. All right, let me go. So when I get there, I ring the bell on the back door, and it's not the same manager. It's a different manager, and she was really pissed. She was attacking me as soon as I opened the door. You guys came yesterday, and now the system is not running. I don't know what you guys did, but you better find out, and blah 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 blah, and attacking me. I tried to listen to her, and I just listen to her, let her say whatever she needs to say. And I says, well, I'm here to find out what is happening. Say, yeah, you guys, the system has been running for so long, never had a problem. Now all of a sudden you guys came. Say, look, I came yesterday. Oh, you came yesterday? Say, yeah, I came yesterday. Well, you find out. Well, say, look, I came yesterday. I just want to let you know. Can I see the thermostat? Oh, it's not the thermostat. I know it's not the thermostat. She said, well, my procedure is to look at the thermostat. But she was really pissed. Really pissed. And in my mind, I'm still thinking about the lower compartments. It's gotta be off. It's gotta be off. That's what it is. And as I walking by, she's behind me saying that she's gonna refuse to sign any paperwork because she's not gonna pay for the service, and that I be careful what I put in my ticket because they are not gonna pay and it's not their fault. Excuse me. And a bunch of stuff, And as I'm walking to the thermostat, she's behind me all the time. Blah 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 blah. Jeez. So I got in front of the thermostat and I said, "Do you have the key?" "No, I don't have the key." Strange, because the other manager told me that she has the key for the thermostat. But anyways, I got my own keys. I got a bunch of universal keys, so I can open any thermostat cover. So I open it up, and then I just stand up, and and I look at the thermostat and I just stay there. And the thermostat, it was off. So it looks like the other manager was feeling probably like it was too hot, and she shut off the thermostat, you know. Then I just look at the thermostat and look, and she remained quiet. She didn't say anything. And then I believe she looked at the thermostat, and then she realized that it was nothing wrong with it. So but yeah, I remember at the door I asked her, "Are you sure the system is? Yeah, the system is calling for keys?" And I remember she was really nasty with me, saying, "Do you think that I don't know how to use the thermostat and all that?" So no, I'm not saying anything. I'm just asking you a question, you know. So yeah, I know how to use the thermostat and this and that. All right, no problem. So now I'm looking at the thermostat, remembering what she said at the door, that she knows how to use it, and the thermostat is off. And then I believe she looked at the thermostat and she immediately changed 180 degrees from being ballistic against me to oh no, you know what, just no, please don't write it down in my ticket. Please don't write it down in the ticket, because my supervisor is gonna know, and it's gonna be a big deal. So don't write it down. Don't write it down. And she was pissed for probably 5 minutes non-stop, you know, saying that everything it was our fault. Well, basically my fault. That I did something wrong with the system, that I screwed the system, that the system has been running for so long, and all of a sudden now it's not running anymore, you know. And she was boom, boom, boom all the time. And I, all of a sudden everything changed, and now she's just please don't write it down. Please don't write it down. So this is the question: how will you react in anything like that? Will you report it? Will you say, you know what, that's fine? Or what will you do? I'm not gonna say it in the video, but I'm gonna put in my description, in the video description, what I did at the end. But I want to know from you guys, what will you do in a case like that, when the customer is attacking you, and then at the end, when they know that it was their fault, they don't even apologize. They don't even say, "Oh, just, you know, man, I'm sorry. I didn't, you know, I didn't see it. The thermostat was off. I should see it first, and then, you know, give it a shot. And then if it's not working, probably call you." But she never apologized for anything. She was concerned about what my ticket is gonna say. So, what will you do in a case like that? I would like to see the answers, and I'm dying to see it. Alright guys, thank you. See you later.